how to add policies to Shopify Footer. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify store, which is right here, and then just click Online Store. And then on the themes, what we want to do is to customize our website. So once you click Customize, you will be redirected right here. So what we want to do next is to click the footer. And then once you click the footer, just click the ad block, which is right here. And then this should pop up. So you will be able to see menu, brand information, text, and image. So what we want to do is to click the menu right here. And then once you click the menu, this quick links will pop up. So all you have to do is to click that. And then on the right side of the screen, on this menu part, just click the footer menu and then click edit. So once you click edit, you will be redirected into another website. So what we want to do here is that you will see, of course, the name of the footer. So it is currently named footer menu. So if you want to change it, you can also do that. Now on the menu items, this is where we can add the policies. So just click add menu item right here. And then on this part, just click this. And then if you scroll down, you will see the policies. So just click the policies right here. And then just choose the policy that you want to add. And then of course, if you want to edit the label, so you can just, of course, edit it. So I'm just going to click this and then click save. Now, once you click save, once we go back into our website, and if we refresh this, as you can see, we now have this privacy, which is right here. So just click the privacy right there. And then once you click that, you should be redirected into your privacy policy right there. And by the way, there is actually an ongoing deal in Shopify right now, wherein you will only need to pay $1 per month for 3 months. So if you want to grab that deal right now, all you have to do is to just go down below the description box or the pinned comment. You will see a link right there, which will redirect you to Shopify. So going back to the video, now if you want to edit this, of course, you can just go here on this part. So click this exit, so leave the page. So what we want to do here is to click the settings, which is right here on the bottom left corner of the screen. And then on this part, you will see the policies. So just look for it, which is right here all the way down. You will now be able to, of course, edit your written policies for the return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, contact information, and of course all. If you want to edit it, you can just edit this one right here. So it's up to you. And then once you're now done, you should now be able to add policies to Shopify Footer. So that is basically it. Once again, that is how to add policies to Shopify Footer.